Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing where the offline copy will live. Plug the phone into your PC and choose File Transfer. Make sure you have several hundred megabytes or more free on the destination drive. Once connected, open a file manager and navigate to WhatsApp's database's path, either /WhatsApp/databases or Android/media/com. WhatsApp depending on Android version. You need to see files named MSG Store, DB, Crypt12 and similar. Copy those files immediately. This gives you the raw chat archive to secure. Once the database is saved, focus on media and per chat exports. You should copy the entire /WhatsApp/media directory. That preserves photos, videos, voice notes, and documents linked to chats. If you only need a few conversations, use WhatsApp's export chat feature to create a text export with or without media. Transfer that file to your PC for quick access. Make sure to compare file sizes and timestamps after copying, and recopy any files that show transfer errors to avoid incomplete backups. To finish, secure and test the offline backup. Save duplicates to an external drive and a second local folder or NAS so you have redundancy. Verify integrity by copying the database and media back to the phone's WhatsApp folders, reinstalling WhatsApp while keeping the files in place, and performing a restore. Do this in airplane mode if you want to avoid cloud restores. If restore fails, check that the WhatsApp crypt key is present, file permissions are correct, and that storage wasn't encrypted or altered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.